Children, next letter in the series of sounds, learning the sounds of all the letters of English alphabet is letter Q. As in queen, quick, quiet, quality, and so on. So many words. But do you know something that whenever the spelling starts with Q, you always follows in all the words. This is without exception. Okay, all the English words that has got Q in the spelling, you always follows. But there are words where Q comes in the middle also. Like liquid, you see Q is followed by U. Like in oblique, you see Q is followed by U. So in this there is no exception. Wherever Q comes in the spelling, U always follows. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed learning these letters. So long for now.